bet you've been wondering, how do I go viral on Facebook in 2025? Listen, you don't need ads. You don't need 10K followers. And yes, you can go viral on Facebook in 7 days, starting today. Step number 1, become unignorable. Okay, stop blending in. Every viral creator has one thing in common. They show up like they know they're the main character, period. Not cocky, just clear. You've got value and you need to act like it.
Step number 2, set up your power tools. Here's what you need. Number 1, a personal profile that's public, right? You need a spicy banner with one clear call to action. You need a hooky intro bio that says that what you do and who it helps. CTA link right in your about section. This is your funnel in disguise. People click on what's polished and personal. Step number 3, post this type of content every day this week. Rotate these 4 post types. First, you need a story. Tell a real moment of pain or success or breakthrough. Number 2, you need a belief breaker challenge, something your audience thinks is true. Number 3, you need a value bomb. Teach 3 actionable steps, no fluff. Number 4, called out content. Name your people loudly, okay? For an example, if you're building a business from scratch and you're done playing small, this post is for you. Step number 4, engage like a human, not a billboard. We're not doing that, okay? Comment on 10 other people's posts per day, but don't sell, react, share insight, okay? Ask real questions. People check you out when you show up with them, not at them, okay? Facebook is a people game. Play it with people, not pitches, okay? Step number 5, weekly viral strategies. Here's your 7-day viral plan. Day 1, post your origin story. Day 2, drop a brief breaking truth. Day 3, post a 3-step how to win with a CTA. Day 4, do a selfie with a valuable caption. 5, shout out a win for your clients. Day 6, go live and teach something. Day 7, ask your audience one bold question that drives them 100 comments, okay? Boom, just like that. Now, here's a bonus that I want to drop in for you. I know you weren't expecting it. Here we go. Use ChatGPT for hook ideas. Use Canva for your banner. Use Repurpose.io to take your live video and blast it to the Reels plus TikTok. Use MetroCall to pre-schedule your posts and track engagement. You're not too late. You're right on time. And tech is on the other side. And if you want to go viral this week, comment, save this post, and DM me 7-day viral. If you want a free checklist, I can send that over to you real quick. Now stop watching other people go viral and go be the one we watch. You're not invisible. You're just under posted. Fix that this week. Let's go.